Is this reality or is this hype? And some is stating that this is nothing but propaganda and hype.
out the position for my first batten. Now, from the top line of my batten downwards, my roofing tile has 400 millimeters. Now the rafter is still too long, so I have to cut it, I have to shorten it, and this would be the edge where I have to cut it. So basically, this batten here serves the only purpose it serves is to help me to get on that roof, and it's also the line where I have to cut later the rafter. And I want my roofing tile, which is 400 millimeters, to hang over into the guttering 30 millimeters. And I also want my counter batten to be 25 millimeters longer than the rafter. And the reason why I want things to be like this is because there will be a board that I will put here at the front of the rafters. And this board will be something between 20 and 25 millimeters. So I have the 400 millimeters and minus the 30 millimeters, minus the 25 millimeters makes it 345 millimeters. And that's where I have to make a mark. That's where my first batten is to be positioned. So I will take the 345 millimeters, beginning from here, bring them up here. So that's the upper line of my first batten. And the same I will do on the other side. Then I will snap a line between these two marks, and then I have the marks on every counter batten for my first batten. And then I just take all the measurements, the normal distance, the normal spacing between each batten, which is I think 370 millimeters, always from the upper line.
Now, one thing I want to share with you is a problem that I faced, and this is on this counter batten, since the battens are not long enough for the complete roof, there is one counter batten where two battens will meet, and you only have very little wood here to drive in a nail, and this naturally almost always leads to splitting the wood. I mean, here was a place where it did not happen, but here it happened, there it happened, here it happened, there it happened, here it happened, there it happened. This was a challenge I had, and I remembered something I came across quite a while ago, and this is that you're hammering on the tip of your nail. And so you're removing the tip, and when you then drive in your nail, it is very likely not to split your wood. Now it can still happen, but you make it very unlikely to happen. So for example, here you see one place where it did not split, although the tip was there of the nail. But here we started, you see, and there it did not split. Here there's a little split, so obviously we hit a crack in the wood. But from here upwards, it never split again.